break it down. We always start with our new listings, and majority of these stats that we're going to go over today are relatively unchanged. They've been very, very similar now for 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks. This last week, we had 53 new homes at the market, which is great. See more inventory on the market. They are moving pretty quick, but it's good to see. We like to see that up in the triple digits here going into the spring and summer months. We had 53 new homes hit the market. One stat that we're always keeping an eye on over the last couple of years is how many homes have lowered their price in the past week. 33 homes last week lowered their price. This number was down at the 0 and 1 range for a long time there as the market shot up, but now we're starting to see more and more homes. So 33 homes at their lowered price, that tells me buyers, those homes, we probably have very motivated sellers that are ready to have an offer submitted. Okay, so keeping an eye on those homes. Let's actually talk about activity levels. We had 104 homes go pending, meaning they had offers accepted. 104 homes got taken off the market. We had 56 close. All right, everything just kind of staying the same. They fluctuate maybe a couple percentage points every single week, but we're not seeing a huge jump in activity. We're not seeing a huge jump in inventory. It's just as many go on, come off, and like that for a couple months now straight. Okay, so 104 came off, 56 sold. One number that is ticking up slowly, which is good to see, is just our overall inventory numbers. Right now, we have 358 homes on the market in all of Kitsap County. So the 358, we got about a 4% jump from just last week. This is the stat that really caught my eye that I actually predicted would happen about 3 or 4 weeks ago, and that is the average days on market, 11 days. We were up in the 35-day zone just 3 or 4 weeks ago. We have fell to 11, which is very quick. That's almost what it was like when the market was just absolutely going crazy there a couple of years ago. But it's not as simple as just the average home is going to last 11 days. And we'll break down those stats even farther here in a little bit, but we'll get through the rest of these. Okay. That's a 54% decline just from a week ago. So the velocity at which homes are moving is really picking up. Let's look at the median sold price last week. $488,000. Relatively hasn't fluctuated that much. It goes up a little bit, it goes down a little bit depending on the week and what type of homes have sold those particular weeks. So out of the 56 homes that sold, on average they sold for about 488. That has come down substantially over the last year where it was up in the 600. That's all a result of what's going on with all those interest rate hikes. Okay, as interest rates go up, prices will inevitably come down. They came down about 19.1% in Kitsap County on average since last April, but since February this year, they've kind of just plateaued. So it's really just been relatively unchanged there. So 488. I like to get a really good picture. Is it more of a buyer's market or seller's market? And one good stat to pay attention to is what is the average sold price compared to what the home was listed for? And this last week it was 99.7%. Again, it's been right around between 99 and 101 for weeks now, meaning on average, homes are selling for practically what they're being listed for on average. You're going to have that one home every now and then that's going to sell for 105 or 106, but then you're going to have that one home that sells for 92, 93%. They got a pretty good discount on, but it all evens out. Again, plateau. Everything's pretty calm right now. There's no one stat that's just going crazy. But the days on market, that's the one that I really want to pay attention to. Real quick sold breakdown. Another way determining, are we in a buyer's market? Are we in a seller's market? We're going to break down the stats here as far as out of those 64 homes, 23% of them sold above list price, 44% right at list price. So again, 99.7%. Majority of the homes, 44% are selling at list price, and then 32% are selling below list price. So anyways, that is the stats for you guys this week. It's going to be interesting to see if those days on market ticks up or down next week. Next week, we'll come at you with some fresh stats. I'll see you guys next week. Thank you very much.